My name is Dave Butler. I am the Customer Success Manager with PageOptimizer Pro. Today, we will be going over how to use the content editor in PageOptimizer Pro. To access the content editor, come to the Content Brief tab Summary section. Then select the Content Editor button. First, let's cover some of the basics. In order to view your recommendations in the content brief, select the Click to Start button. This will then bring up the recommendations. The recommendations that will be displayed depend on the optimization strategy you have selected from the Custom Strategy tab. With the Content Brief scoring method selected, we can view our Content Brief optimization score, our Content Brief sections, and our content prompts information. You will also be able to download each section's information as a .txt via the hyperlink at the bottom of each section. Finally, you can access the notes you've made in each section by clicking on My Notes. With the Signals method selected, we can view our target word count, our exact keyword recommendations, our variation recommendations, our LSI recommendations, and our page structure recommendations. You will also be able to download the variations and the LSI as a .txt by clicking this button here. For title recommendations, you'll need to fulfill them by utilizing the head code editor. You can access it by clicking on the orange Show Head Editor text here. All other recommendations can be fulfilled by typing in the corresponding font type, or by editing the HTML manually inside of the body code editor, which can be accessed by clicking this button here. Once you make any edit, in order for the content editor to analyze if you've fulfilled the recommendation, you'll need to click on the Check Optimization Score button. In the content editor, we also have numerous tools to make your job easier, such as basic text stylings like bold and italic, as well as options that make it easier to keep track of what you changed, such as font color options and a highlighter tool. Towards the bottom, we also have a tool to remove any tag that is not measured by PageOptimizer Pro. Once you are finished editing, you can download the edited code by selecting this button here. As you edit and save the changes you've made, you'll also be able to view your revision history. So if you want to recover a prior version of your page, you can always access it here. Now, you know everything you need to know in order to get started with the content editor in PageOptimizer Pro. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy optimizing!